Hello guys, it's me again, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ay gagawa ko ng inspired makeup look kay Lisa from Blackpink. But before we proceed to that part, you guys may follow my social media accounts. And without further ado, let's start. Nag-moisturize na ako ng face using this Aqua Moisturizer Glow. And I'm going to use this Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Oriental for my foundation. Now I'm going to blend my foundation using this brush that I bought from Shopee. After blending my foundation, I'm going to use this Careline contour stick para i-contour ang aking face. Next, I'm going to use this Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 or light para i-conceal yung mga kailangan i-conceal sa aking face. And now, i-blend ko na yung contour stick na nilagay ko sa face ko. And then, i-blend ko naman yung concealer na in-apply ko sa face ko. Now, I'm going to use this Careline brow liner in the shade Taupe para ilagay sa aking kilay, of course. And i-brush ko muna ng spoolie itong kilay ko. And now, mag-a-apply na ako ng mismong eyebrow product sa aking kilay. So, ang ginagawa ko guys is nagsisimula ako sa may dulo ng kilay ko. And then, yung matitirang eyebrow product, saka ko sila ikakalat or isa-spread doon sa may pinaka-inner part ng kilay ko. Now, I'm going to use the spoolie para i-brush at i-blend yung product na nilagay ko sa aking kilay. And now, using the same concealer na ginamit ko kanina, yung Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10 or light, lilinisin ko lang yung kilay ko. Next is magbe-bake lang tayo ng konti. I'm going to use this Detail Makeover Mineral Loose Powder in the shade Natural. So as you can see guys, ina-apply ko lang siya doon sa part ng face ko kung saan din ako nag-apply ng concealer kanina. After a few minutes ay iba-brush off ko na yung powder na in-apply ko sa face ko kanina at yung matitirang powder ay isa-spread ko lang all over my face. Now I'm gonna use this EB Advanced Eyeconic eyeshadow palette and this shade for my transition shade. Next, I'm going to use this shade right here at ipagmimix ko sila nitong shade na to. At ilalagay ko sila doon sa may ilalim ng transition shade ko. By the way, that eyeshadow palette is Too Faced eyeshadow palette. And then, ibe-blend lang natin lahat ng shades gamit yung unang brush na ginamit ko kanina para walang harsh edges. And now, i-apply ko lahat ng shades na ginamit ko sa aking lower lash line. Now, I'm going to use this EB Advanced Eye Define Eyeliner in the shade Smoke para mag-apply ng eyeliner sa waterline ng eyes ko. And para magdagdag ng pigment, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow and this small brush at ilaline ko siya or gagawin ko siyang eyeliner ko, wing eyeliner, at makikita nyo na maglalagay din ako sa may inner part ng or inner corner ng eyes ko. And now I'm going to use this eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara para ilagay sa aking lashes. Medyo dinamihan ko yung layer niya para mas maging black na black yung itsura ng lashes ko at para mas umangat pa siya. For my powder contour, I'm going to use this EB Advanced Face Trio. This is in the shade Sunset Trio. And i-apply ko lang siya sa parts ng face ko kung saan ako nag-contour kanina, yung contour stick na ginamit ko. And of course, mag-a-apply din ako ng nose line. I'm going to use the same product for my blush. So, i-apply ko lang siya sa apple ng cheeks ko. And mag-a-apply rin ako ng konti sa may bridge ng nose ko. Again, using the same product ay i-highlight ko yung cheekbones ko, yung nose ko, yung brow bone ko, yung chin ko, at yung tear duct ko. Now I'm going to use this Vaseline Lip Therapy to moisturize my lips. For my lips, I'm going to use this EB Advanced Lip Define Matte Matic Lipstick in the shade Raw Burgundy. As you can see, ina-outline ko lang siya sa may lips ko. Now I'm going to use this Detail Makeover Simply Matte Lipstick in the shade Sexy. In-apply ko siya sa may gitnang part ng lips ko. And dahil wala tayong lip ring, ay magdodraw na lang ako dito ng fake lip ring. So, ayan, gumamit ako ng metallic eyeshadow palette ng Detail Makeover.
Blackpink and RYYZN.
Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!